We missed a day. I wasn't able to shoot my lip combo Wednesday yesterday, but no worries, I'm gonna do it today. For today's lip combo, I'm gonna do the Cherry Coke lips that I've been seeing all over Instagram. And we're going to use two products, my Bobbie Brown Parisian Red lipstick and my MAC Chestnut lip liner. First, use the lip liner. Just don't forget to put lip balm before applying these products. Then on top, and then shade it a little bit. And then with my red lipstick, I'm gonna apply on top. Then clean it up a little bit. And there you have it, Cherry Coke Perfection.